Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can change the app's screen grid layout on your Samsung Galaxy S21 series. First, tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In here, go down and tap on home screen. Then tap on apps screen grid layout. In here, you could choose 4x5, 4x6, 5x5 or 5x6. So let's see if we're going to choose 5x5. This is what it looks like. For 5x6, this is what it looks like. 4x6, 5x6, and 4x5. So if you want to have more apps icons in one screen, you would choose 5x6. So that would give you a maximum of 30 apps icons on the home screen. And then you can tap on save to save the changes. And that is for your app screen. So you can see in my app screen here, I have more space at the bottom here because now the icons get smaller. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.